My name is Esther Kawewe, and I'm a bike mechanic at Chipego bike shop. Here we are selling the bicycles, the spare parts, and repairing some bicycles.
5 women get to be selected by the community itself from disadvantaged background to own and run the bicycle shop. The ladies are well trained as bicycle mechanics, and they're incredible mechanics, fixing over 400, 500 bikes in one container and redistributing the revenue back into community.
Working here has been life-changing because the first thing, I'm supporting my family, and I've built a big house, and I've taken myself to school.
Empowering women, we know we're reaching out to not just one individual, but to several other people that depend on her for a livelihood. Education, health, food on the table, roof over the head.
Seeing these women repairing bicycles at the shop is changing the mindset of men and women in the village.
Yes, they thought this job was only for men. Now, even as women, we can do it. I'm proud of being a bike mechanic.